Okay, my name is Muhammad AKMAL AFIQ bin AMRAN, Nometric 11DKM19F102A, and other member of my group, Muhammad NORNIZAM bin MANSOR and Hasif bin SUHAIMI. Today I want to present about topic 2, maintenance strategy, DJJ 50212, maintenance engineering and management. Maintenance strategy. State the function of maintenance. Maintenance is the function whose objective is to ensure the fullest availability of production, equipment, utilities and related facilities at optimal cost and under satisfactory condition of quality, safety and protection of the environment. Maintenance function will be limited to and defined as inspect, to determine the serviceability an item by comparing its physical, mechanical and or electrical characteristic, which establish standard through examination. Test, to verify serviceability and to detect insip fail by measuring the mechanical or electrical characteristic of an item and comparing choose characteristic with prescribed standard. Service, operation, required practical to keep an item in proper operating condition, clean, decontaminated, to preserve, to drain, to paint or to replenish fuel, lubricant, hydraulic fluids or compressed air supplies. Adjust, to maintain with prescribed limit by bringing into proper or exact position or by setting the operation characteristic to the specific parameters. Align, to adjust specific variable element of an item to bring about optimum or desired performance. Caliber, to determine and cause correction to be made or to be adjusted on instrument or test measuring and diagnostic equipment used in precision measurement. Install, the art of emplacing, setting or fixing into position an item, part, module, component or assembly in a manner to allow the proper function of the equipment or system. Replace, the art of substituting a severely like type part, assembly or module, component or assembly for a unserviceable counterpart. Repair, the application of maintenance service, inspect, test, service, adjust, align, calibrate, replace or other maintenance actions. Welding, grinding, riveting, straightening, facing, remachining or resurfacing, to restore stability to an item by correction specific damage, fault, malfunction or fail in a part, subassembly, module, component or assembly, an item or system. This function does not include the trial and error replace of running spare types items such as fuses, lamps or electron tubes. Overhaul, that maintenance effort, service action necessary to restore an item to a complete serviceable operation condition as prescribed by maintenance standard. Rebuild, consists of choose service action necessary for the restoration of reservable equipment to a light new condition in accordance with original manufacturing standard. Maintenance strategy. Identify the selection of maintenance strategy. Number 1. The maintenance strategy should be customized. This implies that it should consider all relevant factors of the situation at hand. For example, the needs of the company. The maintenance strategy selected should be unique to each company, but the underlying structure needs to be developed so that it can be comparable.
My name is Hasif bin Suhaimi. My matric number is 11 DKM 19F1007. Maintenance strategies. In practice, the best way is to pull down over a few steps. First, prepare for the analysis. Second, select the equipment to be analyzed. Third, identify function. Fourth, identify functional failure. Fifth, identify and evaluate, categorize the effect of failure. Next, identify the causes of failure. 7. Select maintenance tasks. Maintenance strategies. Determine system approach to maintenance function. First, identification of the needs of maintenance related activities, which may include repair, reconditioning, or replacement of components. Second, analyzing the requirement of the above needs. Third, determining the functional procedure for maintenance task selection, work planning and scheduling, work order processing. Fourth, outlining a reporting and controlling procedure of all maintenance-related activities. Next, development of supporting services and infrastructure for efficient execution of maintenance function. Next, determining the cost account procedure for optimizing maintenance-related expenditure. And next, adopting a policy for training of maintenance staff and assure of quality. Classify the types of the maintenance. Categorize the types of maintenance based on functions and advantages. A. Breakdown maintenance. The first type of maintenance is breakdown maintenance. Breakdown maintenance involves the repair or replacement of equipment and components after they have failed. This kind of management strategy can be contrasted with preventive and predictive maintenance, which are designed to avoid equipment failure. B. Corrective maintenance. The second type of maintenance is the corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is a form of system maintenance which is performed after a fault or problem emerges in a system, with goal of restoring operability to the system. C. Preventive maintenance. The third type of maintenance is the preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is predetermined work performed to a schedule with the aim of preventing the wear and tear or sudden failure of equipment component. Reliability-centered maintenance (RCM). Reliability-centered maintenance (RCM) is a process to ensure that assets continue to do what their users require in their present operating context. F. Reactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance, also referred to as breakdown, repair, fix when failed, or run to failure, RTF maintenance. When applying this technique, maintenance, equipment repair or replacement occur only when the deterioration in an equipment condition causes a functional failure.
Nama saya Muhammad NORNIZAM MANSOR, bernombor matrik 11 DKM 19F1043. Saya akan menyambung slide seterusnya. Classify the type of the maintenance. Apply method for each type of maintenance above in suitable industry and process. First, reactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance also is referred to as breakdown, repair, fit when fail, or run to fail, RTF maintenance. When applying this technique, maintenance, equipment repair or replacement occur only when the deterioration in an equipment condition causes of functional failures. Next, preventive maintenance. The third type of maintenance is the preventive maintenance.
Preventive maintenance is predetermined work performance to hazardous with the aim of preventing the wear and tear or sudden failures of equipment component. Next, predictive maintenance (PDM), the most misunderstood and misses of the entire plant improvement program. Next, reliability central maintenance (RCM). Reliability central maintenance (RCM) is a process to ensure that assets continue to do what their users require in their present operated content. Next, classify the type of the maintenance. Distinguish maintenance concept used or applied in industries such as total productive maintenance (TPM). First, reliability central maintenance. In the case of aircraft, it was also commonly assumed that all reliability problems were directly related to operating safely. Next, maintenance technique. Reactive maintenance comes naturally from the need to repair failed equipment. Discover condition-based maintenance system (CBM) concept. Analyze methodology of CBM. First, condition-based maintenance (CBM) shortly described is maintenance when need arises. This maintenance is performed after one or more indicators show the equipment is going to fail or that equipment performance is deteriorating. Next, a maintenance technique closely related to PDM that involves monitoring machine condition and predicting machine failures. Many CBM systems are controlled by computer. Next, this concept is applicable to mission critical systems that incorporate active reducing and fault reporting. It is also applicable to non-mission critical systems that lack reducing and fail reporting. Next, CBM is based on using real-time data to predictive and optimize maintenance resources. Observe the state of the system is known as condition monitoring. Next, the system will determine the equipment health and actually only when maintenance is actually necessary. Next, ideally condition-based maintenance will allow the maintenance personnel to do only the right thing, minimizing spare part cost, system downtime, and time spent on maintenance. Discover condition-based maintenance system (CBM) concept. Distinguish risk-based maintenance. Reliability central maintenance (RCM) is a maintenance strategy that involves using the most optimal method to keep equipment running. Risk-based maintenance (RBM) is maintenance that addressing risk-sensitive systems and machinery.